All right, so we got the subframe spacers in, and as you can see, they go between the subframe and the engine mount, and then just above the subframe here on the rear. So I haven't tightened any of these yet all the way to the torque specs because I'm putting the rear on right now, and then once everything is on, then it'll all get torqued all at once. Right now I'm probably going to end up having to trim this back a little bit for the tire clearance. So this will get taken out completely, this section, and this will probably get just notched back at an angle, and then this will get taken smooth back, and then we'll flatten that out a little bit. The front side, we'll just lose this portion and this, and notch that a little bit in order to get the front tire clearance the way I need it to be. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. Also getting ready to do the rear springs. So we have the rear strut out of the car, and getting ready to put a strut compressor on it and get this spring swapped out.